Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Bose Wave Radio remote not responding, IR sensor, battery and replacement fix. Fix 1 is replace the remote battery. Remove the battery cover on the back of the remote, then take out the old battery. Insert a new battery of the correct type, matching the plus and minus symbol. Close the battery cover securely. Test the remote again. Second one is check the IR sensor. Locate the IR sensor on the front of the Bose Wave Radio, then wipe the sensor with a soft, dry microfiber cloth. Point the remote directly at the radio. Stay within about 20 feet for the best signal. Try pressing the power or volume button. Third one is power cycle the Bose Wave radio. Turn off the radio, unplug the power cord, then wait 60 seconds. Plug the radio back in, turn it on and test the remote. Fourth one is test the remote's IR signal. Open the camera's app on your smartphone, then point the remote front LED at the camera. Press any button on the remote. Look for a flashing white or purple light on the phone screen. Fifth one is remove any obstruction. Remove decorations or object in front of the radio, then avoid placing the radio inside a closed cabinet. Point the remote straight at the front panel, then test the remote again. Thanks for watching.